In this video, I'll show you how you can add your Instagram profile link to your YouTube channel so you can get more followers. So if it helps you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and we'll jump into the video. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're on the Instagram app. So right now I'm on Instagram, and all you need to do once you're here is click on your profile in the bottom right hand corner, and here it will take you to obviously your profile. Once you're here, you can then click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you're here, you simply want to take a note of your username, and because here we're going to create a link that we can actually go and paste into YouTube. So my username is BradleyBRXD. So now we've got our username, we can now go off that and we can now go to YouTube. Now you can't actually do this inside of the YouTube app. So what we need to do is we need to open up a web browser. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome here, and you need to type in YouTube and obviously go to the mobile version of YouTube. So when you're on YouTube, it should look something like this. You need to make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you're not, make sure you click in the top right hand corner and then just go and sign into your account. Now when you're on YouTube, it might take you to the mobile version of YouTube. Now to get to the desktop version, which is what we want, click on your channel icon, and then when you can see these settings here, if you scroll down, you should see desktop version. So click on that and it should open up the desktop version. If for some reason it's being weird and it goes and opens up the mobile version, just keep trying and eventually you will get it. Maybe if you're on Chrome, you have to click on these three dots, then click desktop. And then I'm just going to type in YouTube and get rid of the M. And now we're on the desktop version. I don't know why Google Chrome has such an issue with the desktop version. But once you're here, now we can add the link to our channel. So click on your channel, go to your channel, and it will open up your channel here. Here you can click on the About section, and then click on Customize Channel. Once you've done that, you'll see the Links tab in the bottom here, so click on the plus icon and click Add. Now you can give this a title, so I'm just going to call it Follow My Instagram, and then in the URL, all we need to do here is type out https://www.instagram.com and /, then you need to type in your username. So make sure that you've remembered your username, make sure you've wrote it down, type in your username after instagram.com, click done, and you can see here we've got Follow My Instagram under links, and you can see in the top right hand corner, if I just zoom in, we now have a link to our Instagram.